Assalamualaikum friends. Assalamualaikum viewers. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. I hope you are happy and well. So in today's video, viewers, I will share you patchwork crafts ideas. So friends, let's start today video. We will talk about patchwork crafts ideas. Patchwork is a beautiful and creative swimming technique where small pieces of fabric are joined together to create new designs. Many people love patchwork because it is a great way to use fabric scraps and all cloths. Instead of throwing fabric away, you can turn it into something useful and beautiful. Patchwork is also a very traditional craft. For many years, people around the world have used patchwork to make quilts, blankets, bags, and home decoration. And the first idea is a patchwork blanket. This is one of the most popular patchwork projects. Small fabric strips are string together in different patterns to create a large blanket. Each piece of fabric adds colors and personality to the quilt. Another beautiful idea is a patchwork cushions cover. You can swing small square or triangle of fabric together to create a colorful pillow cover. This is perfect for decorating your sofa or beds. And weavers, next is a patchwork handbags. Many people love making bags for patchwork fabric. Different color and pattern of cloth make the bag look unique and stylish. And friends, you can also create a patchwork table runner. This is a long piece of fabric placed on the center of a table. Patchwork runner look bright and artistic, especially when different fabric prints and are used. So friends, I hope you like my video.